your Roomba's name?
I think we named it Mecha Godzilla.
Yeah.
That's a thing. Maybe I'd like it better if we named it. We haven't named ours.
Oh, dude, I was naming it, but then it started talking. It was like returning to home, and it was like the woman voice.
Yours
I was like,
talks?
yes,
Yeah. They talk.
Mine might talk. I don't know.
they're really
All I
quiet.
know is I catch my wife following it around with a broom and sweeping the stuff into it. And I'm like, why do we even own that?
Kind of defeating the purpose, but
I'm like, why? You know, they should make one with a handle. That would be a lot easier,
yeah,
right?
right?